Nuaribo. Explain something.
This is the solar panel. It absorbs heat from the sun and converts into energy. This is the controller. The energy is controlled by the controller. The controller helps pump to pull underground water. The groundwater is pulled and stored in the tank, which help us to water the plants. Thank you.
Myself Siddhant Thakur from class 5D. And I am Javin Singhwalia. We had prepared a small model showing few reasons for air pollution. There are several reasons for air pollution. Industrial smoke. There are mills and factories in every corner of the world.
Very harmful to health. It causes different types of respiratory disease like asthma, lungs cancer, etc. The impact of air pollution are very dangerous. If air pollution is not controlled, the air will become so poisonous that it will be necessary to use an oxygen kit to breathe easily.
Where is it for this? Want to explain?
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Sagnik Deb Chaudhary, and today with me on the Das and Kridra Sinha is here. So this is the topic of global warming, and today this model is greenhouser. So today first of all we will tell about global warming. As greenhouse gas emissions blanket the earth, they trap the sun's heat actually. This leads to global warming and climate change.
I am Antariv Das. Today I will show you how the factory works and polluted our earth. When the pipe factory, brick factory starts the production, the poisonous gases came out from the pipe, due to which the climate gets changed, and this change of climate gets global warming. Due to this global warming, the climate gets changed, and due to this change of climate, the natural climates like flood, heat waves, and cyclones, etc., causing destruction.
Good morning, sir. Myself as Kridra Sinha. Today I am going to explain about the animals of the zoo. So as my friend has already explained about the gases of the factory, so when the gases came out from the factory, it get mixed up with the air, and the polluted air was inhaled by the animal. A number of a disease like problem with fertilizer and many diseases etc. are effect to the animals, birds, and they die.
These are parts of planets which exploded million years ago. They could organic matter that was left over even after the planets were formed. They are often known as planetoids. An asteroid is a minor planet, an object that is neither a true planet or a comet. Stars, the twinkling spots of light that we see at night, are called stars. There are billions of stars in the universe. Stars are self-luminous and have their own light. The sun is an example of a star.
Good morning, afternoon.
and we are honored to be a part of this wonderful exhibition. We are the students of Class 6E.
And we have a deep passion for technology. We have dedicated time and effort to research and prepare this presentation to make it more informative and interesting.
Where possibilities of technology has reached where we can only imagine today.
At last, we just want to say that the future technology is not just about gadgets, but it's about unlocking the extraordinary potential of human imagination and innovation. Thank you.